Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Evernote, organize notes and documents step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser of choice. In the search bar, type Evernote and press enter. Click on the official Evernote website link in the search results. Once on the home page, locate the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your email. After inputting your email and password, click the Sign In button. Wait for a moment while your information is verified. Once logged in, you will see your Evernote dashboard. From here, you can begin organizing your notes and documents. To create a new note, click on the New Note button. Type your content into the note editor. You can format your text using the toolbar options above. To add tags, click on the Add Tags option on the right side. Organizing with tags helps in searching for notes later. To attach documents or images, click on the paperclip icon in the editor. Select the file you wish to upload from your device. Once you've finished editing, click the Save button to store your note. To view your saved notes, navigate to All Notes in the sidebar. You can sort your notes by date or by tags for easier access. If you want to delete a note, select it and click on the trash icon. Confirm the deletion if prompted. To log out, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Select Log Out from the drop-down menu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.